Kia ora, I'm Craig and this is my camping channel. Today I'm going to be talking about coffee. Instant coffee, various forms, and dunking biscuits. Instant coffee has been around since about 1890. First made in Invercargill, New Zealand by Mr. Strang. Become very popular throughout the world. If instant coffee had been made in Invercargill by Mr. Strang, they really should have put Invercargill on the map, considering the popularity of instant coffee. In New Zealand it's quite popular to build large pieces of fruit, large kiwi fruit for Te Puke or giant kumara for Dargaville fruit in Cromwell. Invercargill's missing the chance. They could be the new centre of instant coffee of the world. 20-foot coffee where people can come and pay homage to the creator of coffee. Presumably Mr. Strang was cremated as being only appropriate as the man who first dehydrated coffee. That could be a shrine. Well, snobbery when it comes to instant coffee, but in New Zealand 70% of all coffee drunk is instant, so a lot of people like it. And if you think about it, that's probably what you have at work, when you go to your sports clubs, church, hospitals. It's ubiquitous, it's everywhere, so we all drink it. It's just a lot of us like to think we're better, but we're not. Okay, the recipe for instant coffee is very easy, and I think it's one of the biggest pros. All you require is instant coffee. Instant coffee is soluble in water, cold or hot. You don't need any real gadgets. Even a spoon is optional. I mean, with a sachet you can just tear the top off and pour it into your cup. A cup is essential though, and some way of getting hot water. And you just boil water and pour it in, and then whatever you add, milk or sugar, or nothing. Anyway, on to the demonstration. Okay, first add water. Then make fire. Add water to fire. Fire make water hot. Sit back and wait. This part can't be hurried. Water's boiled. Okay, making instant coffee. Instant coffee. Load a teaspoon. I like it quite heaped. Up to you. You don't have to do grams when it comes to instant coffee. There's no measuring or weighing really. In fact, you don't even need the teaspoon. You could just rip open a sachet and chuck it in. It's its biggest pro really. It's easier to make. Pour in boiling water. Instantly you can smell coffee. Aromatic. I like milk with mine. So add some milk. That's almost perfect for me. Caramel colour. Lovely. Give it a stir. Again optional. I like to do it. Drink. It's going to be a bit hot, but it's ready to go. Now, dunking. To do or not to do. Now one of my friends, a dear friend, was horrified to see that I was dunking a biscuit. I was quite concerned that there was even an issue, because frankly there's few things in life more pleasurable than dunking a biscuit into a cup of coffee. Ginger nuts. Griffin's ginger nuts in this case. They used to be much better. They've lost the building material qualities that used to have, and the only way to eat them used to be by dunking. But anyway, to dunk, take biscuit, place into coffee, hold for a while, somewhat dependent on the consistency of your biscuit, withdraw, and enjoy. Frankly, if you're not dunking biscuits, you're really missing out. That biscuit's gone now, but it will be remembered. This video has been recorded in memory of that last ginger nut. In fact, I think we might do another. Anyway, I've got coffee, nice big cup. It's nice and hot, refreshing. I've got biscuits and coffee, and you know they're going to be dunked, these biscuits. Don't go letting other people tell you it's not acceptable. Remember, it's always good to do what you enjoy, and I can't see anything more harmless than enjoying a coffee and a dunked biscuit. Thank you. Remember, dunk your biscuit, enjoy your coffee, do what you enjoy. Your catchphrase. Live your best life.